Hi all. I wanted to do a video to show you StatCrunch, a couple calculators in there. We've already completed the binomial section, but these tools are available to you for your final exam as well as any other assignments that you have. So let's first talk binomial. If you go to in StatCrunch, go to Stat and Calculators, you'll see binomial here. Binomial will bring up this window. And here all we have to do is enter in the number of trials and the probability of success. It will then calculate for us really any probability we want. There was an example from one of your homeworks that had 12 trials. A probability of success was 39%. It wanted to know what's the probability of having 4 or more successes. So that would mean the number of successes X will be greater than or equal to 4. So obviously this is a much quicker way. I wanted you to do section 4.2 by hand first so you knew what the formulas do and how they behave. But now that you know that, hopefully you know that, we can use technology again to lighten our load. So that's how you use the binomial calculator. If you wanted exactly 4 successes, you just make sure you say the probability of X, the number of successes equals 4. That's precisely equal to 4. But 4 or more would be greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Again, it's stat calculators, binomial calculator for that. Another one that's going to be very useful as we move forward will be a normal calculator. So here we have a standard normal. You can see the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. The probability that X, well, when the mean is 0 and the standard deviation of 1, this is a standard normal. So this could be interpreted as a z-score. But if we were to change the mean, say, for instance, the average male in the United States is 69 inches with a standard deviation of, say, 2.9 inches. What's the probability I select somebody taller than me? I'm 75 inches tall. So what's the probability somebody's taller than me in America? And it's just under a 2% chance. So we can see it's shading in the appropriate region. X is greater than or equal to 75 inches. That's 6'3". Not too many people are. So this is a really nice calculator. Now we can do between if you wanted to. What's the probability they're between, let's say, 5 and 6 feet tall? 5 feet tall is 60 inches, and 6 feet tall is 72 inches. And there we have it. Maybe we wanted to get, instead of 62 or 72 inches, all the way down to 60. Let's bring this up to 70 inches. What's the probability you randomly select a man in America? Again, the average man is about 69 inches with a standard deviation of about 2.9. So you see here, we can get relatively quick answers, but you still need to be comfortable with using the physical table, converting X scores into Z scores, and then finding the associated probabilities. So we've got 2 calculators that are very helpful. Under Stat Calculator, we just reviewed binomial and the normal distribution. Hopefully that helps you guys as you move through the course. Take care.